And correction, those are EMU batteries.
This is Mission Control Houston. You were listening as Hal Getzelman, the spacecraft communicator on the space station side, was talking with Chris Cassidy. Cassidy is in the airlock doing some work on the spacesuits for tomorrow's spacewalk, along with getting tools ready for that spacewalk. Cassidy will be joined by Tom Marshburn tomorrow on that fourth spacewalk. That spacewalk has been replanned and will consist of installing the final 4 of the 6 batteries onto the International Space Station. Those batteries, of course, are used for power when the solar arrays wings are not providing power to the space station. Those batteries are being replaced. They were originally taken to the space station. The first batteries were taken to the space station in 2000, and they are designed for a life of about 6.5 years. They are being replaced with 6 new batteries on this mission.
And just as I was speaking to you right now, both ready lights went green. Both on lights are off, OFF. But one of the ready lights was blinking just as I was getting ready to talk to you.
Okay, copy. We'll talk about it in a second.
That was a channel alpha on the charger that was blinking with a red LED on, but now the ready light is green and steady on both.
Okay, stand by. We are going to talk about it down here.
Cassidy is talking about the battery on his spacesuit and is talking with the spacecraft communicator here in the International Space Station flight control room. The view that you're looking at is the porch outside the Kibo laboratory on the International Space Station. You can see Kibo in the very corner of your screen, and behind it the Space Shuttle's payload bay. The porch is where the experiments for the exposed experiments for the Kibo laboratory will be placed, and you can see as the robotic arm from the Kibo is manipulating that MAXI experiment, is manipulated it into the berthing position and is slowly moving towards its goal to be installed on the exposed facility.
Scuba Station, Space to Ground 1 for Jim RMS. We are in step 8.10.
Copy 8.10.
Houston Endeavor, air to ground 2 and 2 repress is terminated.
Copy, thank you. Station airlock, Space to Ground 2.
Go ahead, Hal, on 2.
Yeah, taking a look at this signature, we'd like you to execute the star block in step 8 of procedure 1.625 EMU battery recharge.
All right, will do. We're in the lab right now, heading over to the airlock.
You are getting a very close-up view as the MAXI is being berthed to the exposed facility.
I'm still stationed Space to Ground 2 for Glacier.
I'm still here on 2. Go ahead.
Hi, Tamika. We're complete with the Glacier SWAT. The time for block 5.10 was 13:21, and I have some IMS notes for you.
We copy and go ahead.
I placed the cables in a Ziploc bag that's labeled volume compensators and Glacier cables. So I put the small bag with the volume compensators inside that bag. So the overall thing says volume compensators and Glacier cables, and inside that is the Ziploc with volume compensators and the 4 cables.
Station, Scriven on the V group for the MRMS.
Go ahead.
Stand by.
Yeah, Mark, we currently don't have a KU downlink here, so we'd like to, we will perform the ready to launch basically from the ground, but we'd like you to take a procedure, actually the message 20
Houston airlock on 2. The star